Tempers also flared when this chamber tried to scrutinize the 2025 budget of the Office of the Vice President. VP Sara Duterte and Senator Risa Hontiveros got into a heated exchange at some point over a children's book penned by the VP herself. Mayan Los Baños with the story.
It all started with Senator Risa Hontiveros questioning the budget of the Office of the Vice President for a book. The OVP is asking 10 million pesos for the distribution of a children's book called Isang Kaibigan or a Friend, authored by Vice President Sara Duterte herself. When Hontiveros asked what the book was about and how many copies the OVP wants to purchase, the Vice President was suddenly set off.
This is an example of politicizing the budget hearing through the questions of a senator. Ang problema niya kasi, nakalagay yung pangalan ko doon sa libro. At yung libro na yan, ibibigay namin doon sa mga bata. At yung mga bata na yan, may mga magulang na boboto. At yung pangalan ko ay nagkalat doon sa kung saan man ibibigay yung libro.
Madam Chair, hindi ko maintindihan yung ugali ng ating resource person. It is a simple question. Paulit-ulit na this is politicizing. Ang VP ang nagbanggit ng salitang boboto. Wala akong sinabing boboto. I'm simply asking, I don't appreciate this kind of attitude, Madam Chair.
VP Sara then went on to dredge up her history with Hontiveros, who apparently had repeatedly asked Sara for help to win votes back in 2016.
Noong 2016, tumatakbo si Senator Risa Hontiveros na senator, nakailang talo na siya.
Dalawa, Madam Chair.
Natatakot siya sa pangatlong talo niya, kaya pumunta siya sa Davao. At nung nanalo siya, anong ginawa niya? Siya ang pinakaunang umatake kay President Rodrigo Duterte. Anong tawag sa ugaling ganito?
It was at this point that Finance Committee Chairperson Grace Poe had to intervene. Poe explained that the budget hearing is not about anyone's political history and asked the Vice President to simply sum up her book's concept.
Madam Chair, the explanation is in the title, Isang Kaibigan. It's about friendship.
So kung sana ganun yung naging sagot sa simula pa, di ba? Napakasimple. Simpleng tanong, dapat simpleng sagot. Budget hearing po ito. Hindi po lahat about you. Pera po ito ng taong bayan.
Before the verbal tussle over the book, the tension between Duterte and Hontiveros was already brewing. Hontiveros questioned why some of the OVP's programs seemed similar to those of other government agencies, like livelihood support, burial and medical assistance, and other social aid. Duterte explained that they just can't say no to people asking for help. Hontiveros then suggested to place the OVP's budget to other line agencies already involved in providing assistance. This set the Vice President off.
Quote Senator Risa during the Akbayan Congress. Alam ko po na ang daming kalat ni Duterte na hirap tayong linisin. While VP Sara is in power, the threat of a full-blown Duterte comeback is still a very real and present danger. For one, they are supported by one major superpower, China. So that is an example of politicizing the budget of the government.
Wala akong tinanong tungkol sa China o kahit sino pa mang ibang bansa dito sa budget hearing na to. I am asking about yung national budget na ipapasa natin sa Kongreso para sa bansang Pilipinas.
In the end, the Vice President got what she went to the Senate for, the full 2.03 billion peso budget her office proposed, which now is on its way to the plenary for presentation. Reporting for News 5, Mayan Los Baños, we are One News.